Okay, y'all, this is the second video of my back at home, back in this hoarding home for the holidays. I feel like I just want to take this time to really reorganize and set myself up for success for the next time I am here. Based on what the future might look like, I may be back here next summer again for a longer period of time. So right now, while I'm here, I really want to at least take care of the clutter in this room again, the room next door that was once the, what do we call it, a warehouse, and a little bit more of the basement that is now home to all of the inventory. So it's just going to be a little bit declutter, mostly organize, reorganize, and get the space ready to rock for the future. Okay, so next I kind of want to tackle this section. Not that I want to like clear out and declutter, but I do just want to organize it a little bit and decide like what actually do I want to keep? What do I want to keep here? If I want to bring anything back home with me and kind of just make a little bit of sense of it. Here is what we're looking at now. These was something I did UGC for that like I definitely don't need anymore, but I feel like if I get rid of them, they're going to ask me to make another video on them potentially, and I don't want to make them like resend me another pair. They're like headphone cover things. I feel like, yeah, like we could probably condense all this incense. Let me do that. This is my Jenga game from Tomorrowland. It definitely has a home in here somewhere, but I need to like fix that up. Okay, a few more things that were UGC. I was supposed to be making videos for this menstrual cup brand, but then once I sent over my drafts, they were like, actually, we don't know if you'll match with what we're looking for, but maybe we can work together in the future. So now I just have these, but I don't want to like discard them or like use them if I'm going to need to make videos like with them as a prop in the future. But I'm also like, how long do I wait that out for? Or should I follow up with them in like a month? This was a couple months ago already probably. So I'm like, should I follow up with them? And I'm kind of like, this is just the cleaner, the menstrual cup cleaner. So I'm like, should I just bring it back with me? I'm like, I have no space in my freaking luggage. It's like a menstrual cup wash. It's a good product. It's only 3 ounces. Maybe I should just bring it. I don't know. I don't know what to do. You know that you also still have stuff upstairs though, right? Like the lights up there and everything. Do you want me to start taking some of that down?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want me to start taking some of that so we can condense too?
I suppose so, yeah.
Yes, condensing.
Find all my stuff, so I can put it back and you know what I got.
Yeah. Yes, so as I'm filming, it is January 4th. A little early to take down all the holiday decor in my head, but while I'm here, I literally leave tonight back to South Carolina late. So I'm just trying to be helpful and get some of this done as a team before we out again, or before I'm out again. And then we can get it done and kind of feel better about where we're at all together. This stuff is my favorite type of holiday decor because it like really brings the space to life more so than like the little things like that you just set somewhere. This really brings like and it's all encompassing. You can put it over anything, and that's why I love it. Okay, so we just filled all of this, like 3 layers worth with ornaments. So these are all ornaments as well. I have some random little like figurine type stuff in there, and then this stuff the rest of this needs to go into those other bins downstairs. Christmas is one of our points of contention. I feel like we have a lot of Christmas bins. It's a great time of year, but a lot of Christmas bins. So just to close out this video, if y'all can remember, I'll put a comparison on the screen. But this was once the inventory room. We moved the rug up here because we ended up doing air mattresses in here for the New Year's party. This is still just storage of like family paperwork and other stuff like that. But like this I want to sell. It's an old TV that like some of this stuff I just don't know what to do with. This actually will go downstairs with the holiday packing up stuff. And then yeah, I mean, clearly this room has definitely changed. All of this here, everything hanging is still listed inventory. So this is like the hanging section here. Like it's so random. I need to just finalize some of this stuff because these need to be photographed, listed. This, I haven't decided if I want to keep it or not. I did wear it to a holiday party this year. It's cool vintage. I don't think it's listed, but I'm gonna hang it in my own closet. And then this will end up being another station in the future, the next time that I am here. And I also think we could bring this downstairs because we're packing up all the Christmas stuff right now. So baby steps, progress. It does exist, even though it might not always feel like we're progressing, but we are. One thing at a time. And I think you'll see in the next video as well that we are making some more progress too. So make sure that you stick around. There's a lot more coming, a lot more videos like this. And I'm really interested to see where we go in the future with this project and being able to clean things out, make some money. 2026 is going to be a big year, a super big year for my main channel. So if you're not following me there, I always say, go check it out if you like adventures. But as for the decluttering and the organizing and the reselling, you're in the right place. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and all that jazz. Hype this video too if you're on mobile and it allows you. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.